All the world's a stage. William Shakespeare. A stage. To perform, to sing, to play. To be heard and to be creative. To laugh. But without your support, the stage is empty. No laughter, no creativity, just dark. And with your support, we keep the spotlight on.
Each of us has something to say and something to share. Kids Creative provides an invaluable place where kids can express themselves, share their ideas with others, and learn life skills like conflict resolution and team building. Have you ever heard the sound of confidence? With collaboration, the sounds get louder. Add creativity, and the sounds turn from noise into songs, plays, dances, and laughter.
Like when we do the homework so we don't have to do homework at home, and we got to perform for a show.
When kids get the chance to write plays and music together, they practice reading, writing, math, and more. Since 2000, Kids Creative has provided thousands of youth the chance to grow as citizens and valuable members of society.
Dancing is like the second thing I can do while singing. I can do it while singing at the same time, literally.
Please support our peace education programs for youth and help us build the sound of confidence. Go to kidscreative.org/donate.